Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install NordVPN on a Mac. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, open up your browser. It could be Safari or whatever browser is available on your Mac. And then just go ahead and use the search bar or URL box and just type down NordVPN Mac download. All right, hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the best VPN for Mac, NordVPN download for Mac OS. So click on it and then just basically click on download app from here. And once that's done, the downloads will be available on the download section. So go ahead and click on it, click on continue and install. After that, the app will open. It will look like this. So all you got to do is just tap on login. But if you don't have an account yet, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check the step-by-step guide on how to make a NordVPN account. So just tap on login. And once done, you are good to go. That's how simple it is to install a NordVPN on a Mac. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.